Hey everyone, welcome back to Projects with Paul. Today I'm going to show you a tool that was sent to me by a company called Cool Gadget, and this is it here. It's the xCool 3-in-1 laser level tool with dust collector and laser level stand. So this is a laser level. It's not self-leveling, but it has a laser on the bottom. And it has a couple bubble levels, so you could hook it to the wall and then set your laser wherever you need it. The neatest thing about it is it's got a suction cup on the back, so it'll vacuum itself to pretty much any surface, even some semi-porous surfaces. And it's got an automatic, the vacuum will turn on automatically if it starts to lose suction, and I'll demonstrate that for you. It's also got this cool dust collector. If you're drilling into sheetrock, all the dust will fall into this little cavity here, so we're going to demonstrate that as well. And then you can pop this this drill dust collector off, and it has this it's a bracket to mount like a larger laser level. It doesn't come with it, but if you have a self-leveling laser or any type of like even a GoPro will mount here, so you could use this to mount multiple things to the wall. So let me get set up here and I'll demonstrate the drill dust collector. Alright, so to turn it on, press and hold the button and the green lights light up. And then to lock it to the surface, you just like that, it sucks itself right to the surface. So now we can hook the rubber boot on. Like so. All the dust went straight into this little cavity right here. And then to shut it off, you just hit the stop button on the other side. You can see all the dust went right in there. Now we'll do one without the dust collector here. See, there's no dust there. Alright, to take the dust collector off, you just push this button here and slide the dust collector forward, and on the back it's got a little rubber door, and then you can see all the sheetrock dust inside there. Works pretty good. We'll just close that back up, and then to mount the laser mount, it just slides on and clips on just like that. And then you have this adjustable mounting wheel, and it also comes with the larger format for the larger laser levels, which I have inside, and I'll demonstrate that. And it can hold approximately 10 pounds. I think they said 5 kilograms. So let's take it inside and we'll mount it to the wall and show you how it can hold up a large laser level. Okay, this is the larger laser mount, and it just clips on like so. And to take it off, just push the red orange button there, slides right off. And then you can add this little adapter for the larger style lasers like this one here. And we're going to stick it to the wall and we'll show you how it holds. Pretty impressive. And this thing will, if it's, see it shut off there? If it starts to lose suction, these lights will drop down, and then the vacuum will kick back on, and it'll suck, you know, increase the strength again. And that's a pretty pretty heavy laser. It ain't 10 pounds, but it's probably 5. It holds its suction really well. You'll hear it kick back on. There it goes. So anyway, you get the idea. It also has a continuous feature. If you double click the button, the vacuum will stay on if it's a somewhat porous surface. And this thing is also IP54 water resistant, water and dust resistant. Let me unhook this, and then we'll try out the laser that it came with. There we go. I'm going to shut this off and take this off here. Alright, so I'll demonstrate the laser. You can see that's where the laser light comes from, and then that's where the it's got a little dust cover over the charging port. So we're going to hold it to the wall. One push turns it on. There's the laser there. So we'll get it. We'll get the bubble level set here, right about there, and then we're gonna. Okay. We got it sucked to the wall. Laser on. And that's a pretty level line there. Not bad for hanging pictures. All kinds of applications for that. And then we'll stop it. We'll leave the laser on. And then we're gonna run it vertical here. Let's check this label. Bubble says we're good. Vacuum on, and then a long hold will get the laser back on. Not bad, nice and bright green. Green is better, in my opinion, than the red. That's what the industry says anyway. And you can slightly adjust it. Even with it sucked down, it'll move just a little bit. And it's off right now. And that thing has got a lot of holding power. Not a bad little tool in my opinion. So I'll leave some links in the description for the Cool Gadget website, and there'll be a coupon code, and there'll also be a link in the description for Amazon if you prefer to purchase from Amazon. So check out the description for the links. And thanks again for watching Projects with Paul, and we'll see you next time.